Hello students, in the previous lecture you all have seen about formulas, function, types of formula, that is the basic formula, compound formula. Now in this lecture you are going to see what is a cell reference and what are its types. So as already I have told you, that the cell address in the formula is known as the cell reference. So for understanding, we are going to consider this Excel sheet. Suppose that this is an Excel sheet, this is the row and this is column ABCD, and we are going to consider the cell address. This is A1, likewise this will be A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, likewise. So this is the cell address. This is the cell address of this cell is A1. The cell address of this cell is A2. So cell address or cell reference is the same thing. Now types of cell reference. First is the relative reference. First of all, we should know what is relative reference. Suppose that this is an Excel sheet and we are going to do some calculation using the formula like I have taken here. This is A1, this is B1 and this is C1. We are going to add both the all the three cells, A1 plus B1 plus C1. Okay. Now what we will do after doing the calculation, we are going to copy this formula. This cell we are going to copy this cell and we are going to paste in second Excel. This is Excel 1, this is Excel 2, and we are going to paste in this cell D3. So when we will paste this same formula here, so what we will get, this is here A1 plus B1 plus C1, but here what we will get as A3 plus B3 plus C3, because the reference is going to be changed from, because there the row number is 1, here the row number is 3. So what you all have got in the relative reference, that whenever we copy the formula or move the formula from one place to another or from one Excel to another, so the relative reference of the cell also changes. Okay, the cell address will also change whenever we are going to copy or move the formula from one Excel sheet to another or from one cell to another cell. Now going towards the next one, that is the absolute reference. It is the opposite of the relative reference. In this, what happens? It is used when we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying formula to another cell. Means when we are going to copy the formula from one Excel to another Excel, the relative reference or the cell address do not change, as we have already seen in the relative reference that it goes to change. Now we will see with the help of an example. Here you can see, and one thing, absolute reference is represented by $sign. Suppose that this is an Excel sheet. Okay. Now the cell which we are not going to change, we will represent it by $sign. Means E11, we are not going to change this E11, means it should be static 10%. It should be same in all the cells. We are going to do the calculation, it will be same in all the cells. So this will be as it is, but the value of B2 will change continuously. Here B2, and when we do the calculation in this cell, it will become B3, likewise B4, but this $E and $11 will as it is, and that is 10%. Means whatever the values, whatever the cell address we are going to keep static, fixed, we will use the $sign with that row and column number. Here we are using dollar with the column as well as the row number. So you all have got the difference between relative reference and absolute reference. In relative reference, what we do, that whenever we are going to copy the formula from one Excel sheet to another, the relative reference or cell address gets changed. But in absolute reference, what happens whenever we are going to copy the formula from one Excel to another Excel or from one cell to another, the cell address does not change. It remains as it is whenever we are using the absolute reference. Now mixed reference. Mixed reference, it is the name itself justify that it is a combination of relative and absolute reference. Means here either we have to make the one column static fixed or one row fixed. We are not going to use only the absolute or relative reference. We are going to use the mix of both relative and absolute reference. That is the mixed reference. Now this was all about your reference, cell address, cell reference and its types. In the next lecture we will proceed further. Thank you.